third chair want to get to
Tiger, you know why I was giving she the benefit of the doubt? I say this girl had to be a mad woman to come on an interview where the whole world hearing you saying you flying 2 o'clock, knowing that the police could get this information to prove you a liar and you will still come and lie. Then she had to be a mad person. That's why I was giving she the benefit of the doubt, and she had to be mad.
And then Giselle, she would deter. Giselle, she would not just need she would not just be a mad person. She would need the electric chair immediately, like not even a trial. So let me tell you something. If she's the one who did all this, she would need the electric chair immediately, and she would not need to practice as a fellow person in that field. She would not need to practice for a second more. So therefore, knowing that I know and you still take this risk, you don't need nobody to sorry for you. You don't need no juror, you don't need that. You need electric chair immediately.
Well, what if she did all of this, right? What if she did all of this and she feel as though she go fly back in foreign before they find out anything or figure she out and the United States go protect she? What if she did all of that thinking?
No. Okay, you want me to tell you something, Jitel? And this is frankly, and this is the truth. You see, the moment you have a license, if she is for real a registered nurse, the United States don't protect you. You are in their eyes constantly. If I'm to drive my car right now, operate my car without a driver's license, I stand a great risk of losing my registered nurse license. So therefore, she would know all of that, and so therefore just give away your license. So just go prepare yourself for your electric chair. If she really do that, they're not gonna protect her, Jitel. They're not gonna protect her. The fact that her name called, her license gone, or all her career gone, no protection.
And this is a problem we face, right? You know, I'm telling you something. You see, all I see people talk about Shanice, they talk about Shanice like Shanice a god. There's a man who used to control the football government by the FIFA, right? There's a man who used to control FIFA. He's one of the richest man in the sports entertainment center. With the sports and all of this thing. And the amount of money when thief out of it and he had an impact and he's my richest man in the world. So why Shanice is so protected that she can't make mistake. She can't make mistake, like, because a nurse, you can't make mistake and you can't do wrong. You know what people got quote go say they never do it when they actually do it.
Tiger, no.
It's the happen
Tiger, I'm not saying that. Tiger, I'm not saying that. Tiger, I am not saying that. I am saying that she. I'm not saying because she's a nurse she cannot do wrong. Remember, there's nurse that take substances that steal, even though they know they're not supposed to, and that they're gonna drug test them, they will still steal drugs and take it and do whatever. Yes, there are some people who do some stupid thing, but the fact that the fact that a child and unaliving or any abuse or anything like that, you know your right is like a sentence for you. We don't want to call the word on TikTok. It's a sentence for you. So she just need to pack up her stuff them and go out and go get into work here.
Me see have a pastor woman. Me I watch nothing to declare on TV yesterday. I want pastor woman. Then catch at the airport. At the airport. I'm pastor. As a pastor, she don't think so she can go tell the people them hallelujah and walk past them.
Harold Carmichael.
Pastor lady yesterday for nothing to declare and thing in the channel. We call it that channel show nothing to declare in USA and all of these things. And you probably if me never see it, I tell me I probably say, I'm pastor not carrying none of them here apart from them.
Everyone nice.
So
but look at the
when we talk about this girl, everybody, especially the defense them go on like say she they know her personal and she can't mash up, bust up grip in her foot fight.
What I'm trying to understand from you, right? Because I up here, right, and cute girl up here, and we is the one basically asking the questions where you might say the defendant, and I just always trying to defend in this girl. And the words coming out of your mouth right now is nobody never said that, you know. Nobody never said this girl is good. Nobody never said this girl can make mistake. Nobody never said this girl no machine hands. So why are you speaking like that?
I have been challenging this case for the last 4 months. So I'm not gonna start about today with you and cute girl in the box. No, for the last 4 months me are doing. And every time people defend, you have me go up against Jagai, me go up against me, myself and I go up against Bella, me go up against cute girl, and me go up against few others. So I think me entitled to say, oh, they've been speaking for the whole of that time.
Never have I ever said she can't do it, you know. My thing was that I need justice for Jayden, and if her time checked out and checked out that she's not in it, then it's not her I want to focus. I want to focus on the persons who do it. But if her time put her in the space, then she is even a bigger suspect in my eyes. So that's what I said. I did not rule her out. I said she is a suspect, but just because her time frame that she's saying publicly that she came into the country, it didn't add up.
Well, I can understand how these girl them saying, you know, kind of, because then kind of put them, because I kind of sometimes kind of have me a way where me I say, would you really be so stupid if you say you come 2 o'clock pan TikTok and everything and know that it's easy to check and those kind of things. So I kind of see what them I say still, where sometimes have a head away.
What are you talking
I
about
think
right now, bro? What are we
as
doing?
well sometimes, you know.
Oh, okay. So, another same thing. I say about Mr. T. So that means she is not that stupid in you guys' opinion, but Mr. T is that stupid because Mr. T do the same thing. Mr. T do the exact same thing on go to her one is more like her one is more cool feather. But Mr. T do the exact same thing. So you say Mr. T is really stupid. He said me give the key in her hand down at the pharmacy and you can go check the CCTV camera, and she and Tommy were living on my area right so go up at 13. But that means I don't
be right there again. That's why I say have my head run and run. When
Oh my God, this guy, bro.
But you know what to Tiger? You know what to Tiger? Do you realize that Mr. T put her going to 2 places at the same time? Because Mr. T saying go on at Tommy go change, and Mr. T also saying go freshen up her Spiritual Hill. So which one was it really that she really did? Because one of them, he said, in go up at Tommy, but we live in friend, we live in the area.
No, he said she and her friend. She and her friend, but he never said she said she and her friend.
She left with Tommy. She said that's what he said. She left with Tommy.
He left with Tommy. Okay, so because from that one that I listened to, I got the assumption that he went by Tommy. But then I hear the one when him say him get the key and he go up a Spiritual Hill. So then I'm saying, wait, did he go to Spiritual Hill or did she go to Tommy? But then you just hear surprise say and a Spiritual Hill and go up at Tommy. So that again is another story.
It's just too much.
Surprise just said before he jump out of the box that he just get the information say up a girl will live right beside the hospital she went. Now the surprise just saying, so we don't know if a surprise right or we don't know if a Spiritual Hill, because she in the interview said she did not go to Spiritual Hill. I don't know. This every day you think that you're close and then it's like something that you
again, just like what you can say with she couldn't be so mad. Mr. T couldn't be so crazy either. If you know so you can check this thing out. And I go say, oh, she taking your key and you can go check the camera.
You know what, Speedy? You want me to give you the joke about Mr. T?
Mr. T couldn't be so mad either, so you have to look on the same thing.
Speedy, you want me to give you the thing with Mr. T? If anybody really look into what Mr. T was talking, he did not think that he was on an interview that somebody is gonna start looking into things. Do you realize when LA said to him that we want to get it right because and then that's when he started to panic and say, you know what, you can't really take my time. You can't really take my time.
Take it up on him head. Mr. T love that little boy so much, Mr. T gonna take it up on his head till him go do all these stuff. So once you say Mr. T alive,
Alright.
that's what convinces us something.
You see, your life is funny. You see, your life is really funny. But not do the thing and nobody enough to talk about it because they don't get all short of it. Because you hear where you just said
Man.
You hear where you just said. So you're saying if Mr. T is, you basically what you're saying now, Mr. T changed because him knows say he can't get checked out after. So you said Mr. T just get up because he think he might talk to just L.A. Lewis pan camera and he might tell Bailey, but when he find out say he can't get checked out, he just start panic. And once you start talking on camera, I'll 2-year-old baby know say, once you go for recording, that's how they all over the place.
Tiger, I just stated a fact, don't know. Tiger, I just stated a fact. When L.A. Lewis said, Tiger, but for a fact, I understand what you said, but listen to that interview with Mr. T.
Cool.
He was going on freely and was okay. But you see that very second that L.A. Lewis mentioned that the people them want to get the time frame and all that thing right because we have to check it out. Notice that at that very moment. At that very moment, Mr. T started to say, well, you know what, you can't take my time, you can't take my time, you can't this, you can't that.
You girl, no, we cannot do that. We cannot do that. Listen.
What, Shonda, what we cannot do?
Can I tell you something? It's before them. Hold on, Tiger, wait now.
Let me finish my part. I'm not gonna lie down. Let me finish my part. So you see, the girl, Shanice, if you come on TV, she's a mad person. She's crazy if she do it. And I say, Mr. T one is fine. Mr. T, nothing wrong with Mr. T. Mr. T just do what he do.
Tiger, you're construing the thing.
Now.
That's not basically what I'm saying. That's not basically what I'm saying, Tiger.
When you were saying Mr. T just come out and nowhere and I say all these stuff there.
Can I say something?
Speedy,
Can I say
what I am saying. Speedy, what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying, Speedy. That's not what I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying?
Hold on now, hold on. Everybody right, hold on. Listen to me now. Cute girl, you cannot say that. Before them interview Mr. T, when they went to him, he did not want to do the interview. And they told him, they told him, them a do this, this is theme time for clear up all away the people them a say. This is the opportunity for you come and clear your family. And him say, all right. And this is how him go ahead and did the interview. So I never at no point in a when him read down and just realize say whatever.
So Shonda, was it me alone that realized when LA mentioned the importance of the time frame and that realized that there was a panic and a flip in Mr. T?
No, listen, that part that you're saying is somewhat true. But okay, this is what me I try to make you explain. It is along the interview where Mr. T...
Where I say that is true, but that not because...
exactly.
That's you say a completely different story if you're completely...
Alright. Get the benefit of it though.
You know when him switch? You know when him switch and you get a change of advice?
When him start discover.
I say, he must snitch on him family then.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah. Exactly what I am
but
saying.
It's not saying. No, it's not saying what you just said before.
That's what you were saying.
Consequence of everything until at that very moment when he realized the consequences.
No, it's not the consequence. Cute girl, it's not the consequence him realize at that time. It's the discovery him realize at that time because you see to Mr. T genuinely thought that they were innocent. And his sister, remember him come and say, I swear for this one and that. But when no, it's just like us now when we there so Tiger, remember we there and we are talk about it. And they must say, oh shit, the key. I will start puzzle about. When him there they stand the man them start to twist him and a question him and I say, where your family go down and tell him that make no sense now because if they say this and say that, he might catch on now upon the lie, so him start to try for cover now.
That's why I'm getting nervous.
Exactly, a cover him start to a cover now because at first him just do that Lego everything because he think genuinely that them people are where them say him did a take faith.
So my thing is this: anyhow, you go on national TV, you talk them sitting there. Like just like I wanna say the girl stupid for do it, him stupid for do it too. That's all I'm saying.
But alright.
Stupid
You got
for
the
do it.
benefit of it though. You got the benefit of it though. If Mr. T do all this thing, why him doing it for? I him just take it up off him head and go hurt the little boy and then I tell all these lies then. Even if you might tell all these lies, telling it for someone, so even if me give you the benefit of the doubt and say Mr. T a liar, Mr. T a this and Mr. T a that, who him doing it for? He can't be for himself alone.
But that's not what I'm saying in a speedy. I am saying.
You may talk oh, so the lady may ask.
Same thing, dude.
The lady away said Mr. T away blame Mr. T alone, but when you come on to the next girl, it be nothing. So
No, Speedy, I am not blaming Mr. T alone, Speedy. I am not. Listen to what I said.
yeah, but once you think Mr. T is guilty any at all, you have to think the whole family guilty because Mr. T not doing it for himself. So once you think Mr. T lying them, make him guilty, make sure that the little boy
there is so many stories going on out there, right? Because somebody just type in this comment section right now that Demar friend spill the things that Demar tell him, and one of them was that Jayden was raped, right? Okay. All that was even just said in this comment section right now, and that's why that friend fled according to what the comment section in here so saying. We do not really, we only can listen to this story and take speculation. I said whoever is lying, they must know why they're lying. And if it is Shanique that is lying, she need to pack up her stuff them and go lie down on the electric chair. I not even think that she need to get the justice system for waste time. Right?
I'm about to show him something.
And if it is also Mr. T, he need to do the same. Because if it is also Mr. T, he need to do the same because he is trying to paint an innocent image to the community. If it is him and he's painting that innocent image to the community, he also need to go lie down on the electric chair.
That message just come in. Is that what does hit me to 6 though? Cause you know when I see that interview first and when I come on this thing first as well, me keep saying I think Mr. T is a pervert and move like a perv. So when I say this thing, it kinda hit me away thinking
I'm showing the true clock
big time. Because at first I was thinking this is the first thing I was thinking where all man like this is going to know about a little boy phone and all these stuff, so I kinda don't understand, but hey, go all different.
Yo, let me tell you something. You told me see it right now. Yes, you told me feel right now. The whole Manchester is a bunch of weirdo. Every single man and woman down that weirdo. The whole of them are so. Listen, I never even fly over Manchester and then I go to Jamaica. I see the little boy in a little Caesar and two big adult people stand up and listen to a little pitling conversation, and I said them I go then say tell the auntie say then say them I go buy pizza. How you a big adult have two little boy in one shop and you just all up in the pitling grill so till you can go back and tell the auntie say when you hear them in a little Caesar say them I go over pizza.
Alright.
Well I don't get so strange.
That means to support certain things must match up with big man and little boy. We have big man and we don't pay certain little things.
Don't get so too funny. People, big people, adults in one shop. How many are we in this life here? Go in our supermarket right now for going to go buy something and go pick up some Wall Street. And we are going to call somebody and say, we are too quick in our shop and say them and go buy pizza.
I'm principal as a little boy eat too much or too much.
Everything open, school on this planet. Have a principal where I have 800 people in school and that principal is going to come and tell you.
You big money are too close to the little boy.
Tiger, that not weird. You know what is weird? Can I tell you what is weird? Is when the aunt said one lady saw Jayden 2 days in a row.
No,
Saturday and the Sunday, she can go buy the lotto the way she lucky. She forgot buy a lotto number.
And she and see Jayden I go one place, so you forgot twice.
Yeah. And also the principal will come out and say them see him in the same area with the school day, you know, after he went missing, must have the Monday or the Tuesday, looking to buy something to eat. When I tell me say these people are not wicked.
I see my eat so much.
When the one of that area, they must say Jayden missing. Why him couldn't go back there to go buy something to eat?
Yeah.
Eat? And you see them people, yeah?
And that's why it's the missing capital of Jamaica. Cause them too weird on this, so them weird. It's a weird.
Bro.
In the back.
A whole heap of kids the first thing we get from Mr. T that this man give me a pervy feeling. And then first Mr. Worst of the man saying grow a whole heap of kids and all that kind of thing there.
I know a best grave down at the school. If they
and work at school.
Yes, not
too much around kids. It give me too much. He work at school. He grow kids. Too much and he don't look like a man like that to me where you're too much around kids. And anytime I see man too much around kids and too close to kids, I kind of open my eye whether boys or girls. Because that is not really a macho man thing. You see me, a macho man thing and a really fiend thing that. You see me, if I see a little feminine man run girls, then run kids, then you know, yeah, you know, so you can watch him still, but you know a kind of feminine man thing. A big old strong man run little boys all the time and little boys and no little boy. Or you know little boy phone, little boy 12-year-old. You're 60-year-old, you know about little boy phone. That your phone never lock and all this stuff.
You know, that's a question I wanted to ask as well, you know, right?
But like, didn't I ask that on here and say why, and the people must say because he's been a parent. This was the answer. They say he's been a parent. And they say, but it should be the auntie checking the phone and not him.
Says, when did they add
everybody slam me down to parents, but me know parents. Me know me and me.
Oh yeah, you was here, Speedy. You was here.
Yeah, I said that at first as well. I have a little boy, and even when his mother go on, me just not have it in me. If you just go through him phone, me just not have it in me. And me and me look so close, and me don't know so much about him phone like what Mr. T know. And Mr. T a older man for me. And worse, him a Jamaican, he's not a gadget man. And then kind of something there. So how can a 60-year-old Jamaican, not a gadget man, and Kelly and that little boy our 12-year-old, and you come like you know more about little boy phone more than little boy. That not add up for me.
You know, so I might figure I do that to the start so that I may ask because you know when him happy feet, thank you, happy foot. You know when he start, right? When he said, you know, they said they can't find Jayden, right? And then go back and he said we check his phone and his phone pin up. I'm thinking like, what's up with why
him not go have a clue how to go work out our 12-year-old locking phone. Him not go have a clue for that. Him a go call him son and say, yo, come check this in, because I don't know about this. Him a